se otkri, a ovako mi je bolje. Maškare čamoru maškare, smenu si se ljubila u kali. Maškarom sa jednom maškarom i rekla si da ništa mi ne fali.
Carnival in Croatia is known as Carnival, Maškare or Flašni, and it takes place every year before Lent, between late January and early March. The main carnival parades in Croatian cities and villages are held on the last Sunday or on the last Tuesday before the Ash Wednesday. The most popular carnival parade is held in the city of Rijeka.
Like everywhere else, our carnival is a combination of local and universal traditions. Children and teachers are allowed to wear masks to school for a day, and children wear masks when they go to the tree. On Tuesday, preceding the Ash Wednesday, grandmas and moms make kaftan or putole, a kind of cake similar to donuts.
Fairies can make things happen, especially the most famous Croatian fairy, Vila Velebita. So today we're happy to present the traditional carnival parade from a village of Murino, which is 2 kilometers away from Uma. They usually go trick-or-treating around the village. The traditional boost or carnival always leaves the group and opens the door, and Maškare or Maskare Janki or Mojdona follow him in accompanied by a musician and the person carrying the basket for drinks.
They sing and dance. According to tradition, Pus or Carnival casts away evil spirits of nature. He usually does it using a horn and a clapper. The white masks with colorful flower hats announce the awakening of spring.
Today, our happy group from Lorna will sing the traditional song, Maškare Čanogu Maškare, and Rina and I will help them.
Mi pravi, za maškarom se ljubi, a meni se ne javi. Robili, ja sam govo, a nisi znala
che felice per tutti sia, donateci i dolci e poi mandateci via.
Bravi, bravi.